Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Usimbun Menteri Rang Baga Jalla, Ubapet Yakatanat PWD, Uba President Tinsong, Ulaong Magajingshim Jaka Banchnai ko Western Bypass Kalayat, Parga Kamro Kumjo, Habajuba Palorga Jingali, Blabodu Emle Kasoyong, Uba Sinchar Kupa Roy Lingdot Haba, Hapoka Yin Dorbar Mentaga Sngi. Uba President Ulaong Ba, Kadon Tang Kandiat Kajaka, Badang Don, Hakajing Penbet, Hakateka Bendaga Surok. Kat kung ngajingong uba presto la dep shim jaka knai punyo persen ber kamaru kalayat syachat pat kebarang sagade tang kumbalai persen nakadaw pa kadon gaje kini ya kajaka.
So since we are talking about land compensation and for construction of national highway, so in the recent months, I went for inspection for the construction of the Western Bypass in Soyong constituency. That's where I found that there are lands excavated by the allotted NHIDCL company beyond the revenue paid land, because there are times where they change the alignment, and during the construction also there are sediments that are damaging the paddy fields. And that's where the question arises. The landowners have come to me for questions, and also they have gone to the Department of Revenue to raise many queries. So my question here is, what will the government or revenue department or the allotted NHIDCL company do to the landowners of the unoccupied or unpaid portion regarding the land compensation?
Sir, if there is any grievances happens to any particular landowner, as I've already said, room is there to listen the grievances and also to resolve the issues. And we do have the district collector revenue who will supervise, who will monitor, who will see, who will attend to all these grievances faced by any particular landowners. And in case if the issues is so complicated where ultimately the district collector are not able to resolve, then we have another steps of grievances where it can be resolved, and that is in the form of arbitrator. So that there is a room, sir. There is a room wherever the grievances arises, we are there to resolve the issues.
So my second question is to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of our state. So what do we do? Can we have an assurance by the Department of Government to look into this matter at the earliest so that the construction will be a smooth sailing?
Sir, as far as the Western Bypass is concerned, though the original question is only about the National Highway 217, still I will just update the status of Western Bypass also, which maximum of this project falls under the constituency of Ba Sansha. Sir, the status of Western Bypass construction is well in progress. And number two, the issues relating to land compensation, 96 to 97% has been resolved. So maybe the honorable member from Soyong, he pointed out those issues which we still have some grievances, like maybe 2 or 3 or 4%. So these 2, 3, 4% which is unresolved till today, some portion of these grievances is still under the scrutiny by the district collector himself, or there are portions, there are issues which is already handed over to the arbitrator. I am very sure, let me also assure the honourable member and the honourable members of this August House that these issues will be resolved and will make sure that the interest of the landowners does not at all affect it. Rather, I should say, it will be benefited by when the government pay the compensation to the landowners.
We get bored and hungry, can't put our minds to rest. Need something quick and easy, got no time to wait. Something delicious, something different from the rest. It's so delicious, delicious. Wanna get something yummy, just get some yummy. Wanna get something yummy, just get some yummy. Wanna get something yummy, just get some yummy. Wanna get something yummy, just get some yummy.
Yummy Noodles, the perfect snack partner.